angle BAC is equal to angle BDC, that is equal to each 90 degree. Okay? So hence triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BDC. So hence in this way angle I is equal to angle R. So this proves the law of reflection by using Huygen's wave theory. And the second point is what? The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the surface, or here we take a incident wavefront, reflected wavefront, and the surface xy, all are lying in same plane. So in this way we can easily prove by using the Huygen's wave theory law of reflection. Okay, now second is the law of refraction on the basis of Huygen's wave theory. So for that we take a refracting surface. Let this line is in between the two surfaces, and let this is the refracting surface, and suppose the two rays are incident on it, the two parallel rays incident on this surface. We try to draw here again a wavefront, because as we know wavefront makes a 90 degree to these parallel rays. So here becomes a 90 degree, and let this point is again A and B. The particle which is at point A and the particle which is at point B, they are in the same state of oscillation, but